Hello everybody, I am going to illustrate you the Arduino IDE using the program of the if-else statement. Arduino, as you all know, is a microcontroller which is laying very firm basis in the industry right now. It has succeeded almost every other controller and it is really very easy to use and very compatible. So I'll be illustrating here the if-else conditional statement over the Arduino IDE. Now let me demonstrate it to you with the help of an example. This example demonstrates the use of the if statement and how it actually does that. Actually, it reads the state of a potentiometer, and that is an analog input, and then turns on an LED if the LED level, if the threshold level is reached. That is, I will assign a threshold level. If that threshold level is crossed, the LED will glow. Let me now explain you the circuit. The potentiometer is connected to the analog pin 0. Center pin of the potentiometer goes to the analog pin, and the side pins, as you all know, is going to get to the plus 5 volts and the ground. Yeah. Now note here that on most of the Arduino boards there is an LED on the board, and this LED pin is always assigned the pin number 13. In 99% of the cases on the Arduino boards, the LED is assigned the pin number 13. So you need not assign any other pin to the LED. Now let's just come on to the program. What I have done here in this part is I have declared three constants. First, that is the analog pin. Now what this is, it is attached to the pin, that this sensor is attached to. Now this pin is going to give you the value where the sensor is attached. A0 is going to give you the value where the sensor is attached, that is going to read the value. Now LED pin has been assigned the pin number 13, as I already told you, and I have set the threshold value to the 400. Now this is the range I have selected here. Now let's just come here to the void setup. As you all know that we have to start by this in the Arduino. Now pin mode LED pin output. What I have done here is the LED pin, that is the pin number 13, has been assigned as the output pin. So when you write in the Arduino, you assign that pin mode, that is LED pin 13 number pin, has been assigned as the output pin. So output will be shown on the LED pin, that is the pin number 13. And serial.begin 9600 is going to tell you the baud rate, that 9600 bits per second is the baud rate which I have assigned here. Now let's just come below. Here it is. I have declared an integer variable which is going to store the value of the analog pin, that is the threshold value which the potentiometer is going to read. That value is going to be stored in the analog value. And here comes the illustration of the if and else statement. If that analog value is greater than the threshold, if that analog value which the potentiometer has read reads the level above 400, then the digital write, then that LED pin is going to be in the high state, that is the LED is going to glow. Else, here it is written, else if that potentiometer reads the value below 400, that is the threshold value is not reached, that pin is going to remain in the low state only, so it will not glow. So this is the basic fundamental which illustrates the if and else statement here, that how the threshold value is read and how the output will be declared at the pin number 13, that is the LED pin. Now suppose that I have to print whatever the threshold value the potentiometer read. For that I will have to use this serial.println the analog value. By this the analog value is going to be printed on the screen, and this delay 1 second, that is going to provide you the stability for the case if you take the values again and again. So this is all about the Arduino IDE using the program of the if and else conditional statement. Thanks for your valuable time.